Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. We are going up to the storage units today because we got roasted so bad in the comments the last time. We've got some new cameras. We're going to set these babies up. They are completely solar powered, 4G, so they stream live to my phone. We're going to take you guys along on the journey. We're going to make the 2.5 hour trek up north on Labor Day. I think that's what today is, so let's get after it. I'm quickly running to Menards this morning because we need to pick up some more cylinder locks. And for those of you guys who own storage units or rent storage units, the cylinder locks are by far the best. I think we have a little bit of shenanigans going on at one of the facilities because I tried leasing out one of our units and then the guy went over there. He's like, okay, perfect, I'll take it. He went over there, he's like, there's someone currently in this unit. Long story short, from what I heard, they moved from another unit of ours. They're not anywhere in our system, so we're gonna have to lock the unit out or cut their lock off of it because it's supposed to be vacant right now. So stay tuned because this is gonna be a wild day. We're gonna be installing security cameras, locking out units, cutting locks off. I don't know if it can get much better when it comes to storage unit management. And the only other thing is Katie's gonna be sleeping the whole time on our way up here. She worked all night and we are without Will. Will is back at school for the summer again, so we'll try to make the content as enjoyable as possible. So we are making a mount for our new camera system because I would rather mount it to like a treated piece of lumber. It's a little bit harder to steal that way. And then we can secure it a lot better. These were bought on Amazon. What are they called? They are called Reolink 4K cameras. Seems legitimate to me. So we're gonna mount these babies in here. I just need a knot drill into my tailgate. And I believe all of these should have hardware with them. Supposedly they're waterproof.
That's number one, that box. Aren't you working on number two?
Yeah. Numero dos. These things are hard to get off. So hopefully, with the solar system and everything, we just have to make sure it's in constant daylight. If it is not in constant daylight, obviously we're not going to have power. So that is the... I should have done this at home. Probably would have made more sense.
So directions?
Most likely. Easier than what it looks like. I'm actually gonna come down and pre-drill these in. Okay, we will see how this goes. If I fall off the ladder, it's gonna be too bad. Should have brought a longer one, but I chose not to. It's my own fault. There we go.
I can't see shit.
You can't? Woofda! That baby is secured. Now let's get it into the twilight zone here. There we go. We're gonna be good. And this baby is ready to rock and roll. So quick tip for everyone, always overestimate on the size of ladder you need so you do not chance falling off of this and killing yourself. Katie's doing a stellar job today. You guys saw it. She was passed out on the way up here. That camera's legit. It's better than the trail cam. Now we just need to figure out where we are going to install this next one. And what we did here, just to make this a little bit easier on ourselves, we pre-mounted them all to a board, just treated lumber. Cameras are legit. They were 160 bucks a piece, which isn't bad, but then you have to pay for like the cloud storage. I think that's $70 a year, and then this cell plan is like $9 per month. So we will see how that goes. I'm just thinking maybe we install the other one on that corner. That might make the most sense. And then at least we have 4 corners mounted up, because that's really the only other low spot that we have. If anyone wants to try to trespass now, I'm sorry to
get a telephone pole.
Yeah, we should have a telephone pole in here. Yeah. That would make the most sense. If anyone wants to dig one, just let us know. This is a little bit better than our redneck security system. For like 300 bucks, hard to beat it, because a lot of these, well, I guess it's more than 300 on a yearly basis. Initial upfront cost, especially if you have a rural facility, this is definitely the route to go. Cost effective, on a budget. Just so I have no one commenting that the caulk job is shitty. This is all clear, so I don't want to hear it. Can't be perfect all the time. And I can't even fucking see this side. There we go. That'll be good enough. Okay. I'm gonna just drop this, or Katie, just grab this. And we are laying it on thick up here, ladies and gentlemen. It's not the only thing thick that Katie's gonna see today.
Carter, stop talking like that. You're gonna lose YouTube followers.
Oh, fucking funny. Okay, so we had a little bit of shenanigans, I think, going on here. This unit right here, 505, is supposed to be vacant. They've got a nice hefty lock on this. So obviously that's not the case. No idea who's in here. They haven't paid us. They haven't even tried calling us. Supposedly they did try calling us, but because that we're just gonna double lock it, we have the keys for someone to do it, but just the simple, call me please. We need to collect some rent from you. You owe us 75, 80 bucks, whatever it is. So who knows, maybe this is the person right here. That would be nice if it was. We would collect our rent, figure out any issues going on, but that is why you should be checking on these at least monthly, if not every couple of weeks, just to see, okay, where are the vacancies at, where are they not at. We'll figure it out all together. So now I know what you guys are probably wondering. Carter, did the cameras actually work? Do you get a live feed on your phone? How much does it cost you? What is the actual quality like? So we are gonna show you. Right now you can see here on my screen, this is a live mobile feed to one of the cameras. And the nice part is if I click here, we can actually scroll. You can see this thing move. Look at that. We are adjusting so we can see the panoramic view. We can record stuff. We can see anything and everything that's going on. So the camera cost was about $160 a piece. Not too bad. The subscription cost, so we bought the cloud subscription to load stuff into the cloud so we have it over time. That was $72 for the year. So whatever that cost comes out to on a monthly basis. And then I believe we are paying $8 per camera for the 4G service, the cellular service. So overall, nothing too crazy. $16 per month, so about 200 bucks per year, roughly speaking, or 270 if I include all things. But now we have a live feed 24/7 on our cameras, so everything's protected. Tenants are safe. We are safe. We can record things. We can document things. I would highly recommend it. Again, we bought Reolink cameras. I think I just bought them on Amazon. If you need the specifics, drop a comment down below. Extremely easy to install, as you had seen. If we would have done a little bit more preparation in advance, we could have probably put those up in 10 minutes total. But of course, why not do it on the job site? So if you have questions, like I said, drop a comment, hit the like and subscribe button if you guys enjoyed this video. The nitty-gritty details, the more personalized videos. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one.